You are going to love the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, CD player, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.